All right, we'll go ahead and start this video outside. Not a whole lot to see electrically outside, but I was gonna cut this one in, but the siding was centered on a stud, which is right here, so wasn't an option. That'll be our AC unit power. Recep and light. And then of course our service. Got a ground rod here, and here's our other ground rod. All right, we don't have a whole lot of light in here, so I'm gonna turn some light on here. Okay, so we got two switches here. One's for the outside light, the other one is for our ceiling fan. And this is our living room circuit, which ends right here. And the cabinets are gonna start almost exactly halfway in between these two receps here. It's our range, appliance one, which is half of this box and that one, and our disposal switch. Disposal's down there. Appliance 2, as well as our light switch for above the sink. And so this is the end of appliance 2. That one's on appliance 2, and there's our home run. And this is our fridge. This board here. You can see the back side of our outside plug and light. So this box is a switch, is this light over here that I just covered back up, as well as our kitchen light. And then this switch here is our laundry room light. So let's just go ahead and look in our laundry room. We've got our washer and dryer for a stackable unit. And our water heater is gonna go right here in the corner. Get a little more light over where we're going. All right, we got our bedroom circuit. And we got our switch for our ceiling fan right there. This is our smoke detector. Here's our carbon. This is our bathroom. Vanity light, a light fan combo. And the light and the fan are on separate switches, as is the vanity. And there's our GFI. We do have a receptacle on this wall here. And over here, we'll just tag those off the bedroom. And then we got our switch for our ceiling fan in here. And our bedroom receptacles. Nope, we decided not to put one right there. We do have one over there. No lights in the closets, they're only 2 foot deep. And then our panel, which we've got the grounds and neutrals made up, all except for what may be needed on specialty breakers. It's a plug-on neutral panel, but it will depend on this job. The customer is buying all the materials. So I'll show you our attic wiring real quick. Use this nice stiff back as our run all the way down to the panel. And of course we just made our own chase right here. All right. And that's it for this one. It's a small house.